So we've walked through the parts department. We found a part that's laying on the counter and we're not sure what we're supposed to do with it. We know that it was for a special order or it was for a customer for an internet order, but we're not sure where the part was supposed to be. Now, obviously, if you're using the barcode labeling system in Lizzie, this would never happen, but in this situation, we're not using it and we need to figure out what we need to do with that part. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to inventory, locate item, and we're going to find the part that we're actually looking for. Now, what happens in Lizzie is every single thing that a part is supposed to do, in other words, is it for internet? Is it for special order? Is it on order? Is it been received? Is it allocated to a service ticket? All of these things are all tracked inside the system. So once you find that item, you can come down here to what we call the item movement grid, and this will give you a list. And normally you're not going to see all of these different locations, but in our demo database we've got a number of different locations that we have set up. But you're going to be able to come down here and look at on order pending, promise received. For example, if I click on promise received, this will actually give me the original invoice numbers that are related to that particular part that it's waiting on. And if I click to view one of these invoices, you'll notice up here at the top that Lizzie will actually select the customer that is related to that particular invoice. It'll bring up that invoice, and then we can come over to the invoicing section and we can view the special order list, for example, and tell it to view the current contact or view the current location or current invoice. And the system will actually give me a list of parts that were on that invoice along with the bin location that that part's supposed to be in. So then I can go and look in that bin, see if the part's there, and if it's not, I can go look at the next one. So everything that is being tracked by the system, and obviously this would take a little bit of work because you're going to have to go to look at each one of the invoices if there's more than one invoice or a lot of them. But the point is that using the system properly, you can go and figure out where something's supposed to be at pretty much any point that you need to.